The secret strategy that made China a superpower. China was not always rich. In 1949, after civil war and foreign invasion, the country was shattered, economically and politically. Yet in just a few decades, China transformed from an agricultural nation into the second largest economy in the world. How did this happen? What secret strategy did they use? Today, we uncover how China rose to power, without firing a single shot. This is Ed Talk. From revolution to reform. After the Communist Party took over in 1949, Chairman Mao implemented Soviet-style central planning. But massive failures like the Great Leap Forward led to famine, chaos, and economic collapse. The real turning point came after Mao's death. Deng Xiaoping took charge. His philosophy was simple. It doesn't matter if a cat is black or white, as long as it catches mice. In other words, ideology didn't matter. Results did. Strategy 1. Special economic zones. Deng opened small areas of China to foreign investment, places like Shenzhen. In less than 10 years, a quiet fishing village turned into an industrial powerhouse. China didn't open everything at once. They tested capitalism in controlled zones. Think of it as economic A/B testing. If it worked, they scaled it up. Strategy 2. Cheap labor, massive workforce. China knew their biggest asset wasn't technology. It was people. They positioned themselves as the factory of the world. From toys to electronics, made in China, became global. But unlike many poor countries, China reinvested export earnings into infrastructure, roads, ports, energy. This built the foundation for long-term wealth. Strategy 3. Technology transfer through joint ventures. Foreign companies weren't allowed to operate freely in China. They had to form joint ventures with local partners. This allowed Chinese firms to legally absorb foreign technology and know-how. Many eventually created their own products, cheaper, faster, and competitive. Strategy 4. Education and tech investment. China didn't want to stay the world's factory. They poured billions into education, especially in science, tech, engineering, and math. Today, China produces more engineers than the US. Companies like Huawei, BYD, and DJI are results of this long-term focus. Strategy 5. Centralized government and long-term vision. Unlike Western democracies, where leadership changes every few years, China's centralized government can plan 20 to 30 years ahead. Initiatives like Made in China 2025 aren't just political slogans, they are national blueprints. When China sets a goal, the entire machine moves to achieve it. Conclusion. Wealth without war. China became a superpower not through war, but through patience, precision, and planning. They blended capitalism with control, and scaled at a speed no one expected. While the world focused on headlines, China focused on supply chains. While others debated ideology, China executed strategy. And in the end, they proved that power doesn't always come from conflict. Sometimes, it comes from knowing exactly where the world is going, and getting there first. This is Ed Talk.